Advance ka mag-isip pa.
Nag-isip ko siya ano kakainin.
Breakfast pa lang tayo, dinner na yung iniisip mo.
Actually, di ko alam kung kakainin.
May kanin dito, bahala ka na sa ulam.
Hindi, tutulog ako.
Ha?
Tutulog ko ulit.
Hindi ko lang kung ano oras makabalik.
Oo.
Good morning! Good morning, good morning. Hindi si Mami. Prepare ng kanyang pang breakfast. So, nag-breakfast na kami kasi anong oras na ngayon? Alas 7 na. Second day. Second day nga ba? Tama, no? Kasi kahapon naman halos first day lang natin, ano?
First day, walang pahinga.
Sa aming pagbabalik sa totoong buhay, sa realidad ng buhay Canada. Back to reality na, no? Buhay Canada. Ito na.
Trabaho na.
Hindi na buhay bakasyonista
Hindi ko
sa
maisip
Pilipinas.
paano ako magtatrabaho.
Huwag mo nang isipin, gawin mo na lang.
Oo nga eh. Siguro naman alam pa ng katawan yun, no?
Oo naman. Maga
Ang
ako.
hirap.
Si Mami, back to work na. Ako naman, mamayang gabi pa. Kasi nga, syempre, panggabi tayo. Tapos, ngayong umaga, meron lang ako lalakarin. Kasi alam nyo ba, nasa tinagal-tagal, kung titingnan nyo yung vlog ko, tungkol sa update ng aming Toyota Highlander na nagasgasan sa parking lot sa IKEA, hanggang ngayon, na hindi pa ito na aayos. Hindi pa rin ito na nagagawa.
Baka na ano ha?
Kasi ay nagka-problema kasi kami sa ano? Ano ba yung liwanag? Yan. Nagka-problema kami sa schedule na sa availability na binigay sa amin nung pagawaan.
Yung ka na rin?
Ube, from the Philippines. Baka kulay ko.
Oo nga.
Kakulay ko. Ube from the Philippines. At Lisa, thank you. Matigas. Papalaman natin. So, bumili kami ni Mami ng croissant kahapon. Doon nga sa vlog namin. Bumili kami ng croissant sa Costco. Papalaman ko yung ubi sa croissant. Wow, di ba? Hap-hap to.
Hap-hap ka.
Croissant ni Canada. Cross with the ubi of the Philippines. Yan. Ayun, so may balik ko doon sa sinasabi ko kanina. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa nadadala sa pagawaan yung sasakyan. At yun nga ang aking asakasuhin today. Kasi, nung last time na binigyan ako ng availability kung kailan ko pwedeng i-start ipagawa yung Highlander. Binigay ba naman sa aking date yung time na ilang araw na lang uuwi na kami, papuntang magbabakasyon na kami sa Pilipinas. That was last March. So sabi ko sa kanila, pwede bang iwan ko sa inyo yung sasakyan, then iwanan nyo na lang sa parking lot nyo? Hindi daw pwede. Kailangan daw may kukuha. Sabi ko, wala akong walang kukuha. Pero ang totoo, ayaw ko lang talaga ng lalabas yung sasakyan galing sa paggawa. Tapos hindi namin man lang mache-check, makikita kung paano yung pagkakagawa. So, sabi nung taga doon sa paggawaan, ang isang pwede natin gawin, sa kanyo na lang i-book pagbalik nyo. Hindi yun ang ginawa namin. Dumating kami kahapon, 27 yan, no? Oo. Ibinok ko siya ng 28 para bago ako pumasok sa trabaho mamayang gabi, at least naipasok ko na sa pagawaan. Kasi tatagal lang naman siya ng 5 days 5 days or 6 days. Ganong mga bilang ng araw lang. Kaya lang, yun nga, wala kasing availability maaga na pwedeng ibigay sa amin dati. Siguro kasi dahil winter, tapos napakadami ng mga damaged cars, dami ng mga aksidente. Kaya siguro ganoon.
Yung rental. Yung rental.
Ayun, ngayon din nga yung rental. So, yun nga yung mga asikasuhin ko. Tumawag ako kahapon sa rental, yung enterprise, yung magbibigay ng rental car. At saka doon sa pagawaan. Kasi hindi ko naman na kailangan tawagan ng insurance dahil may schedule na nga lahat di ba? So, alam na yun ng adjuster ko. Ang kailangan na lang, i-confirm ko sa kanila na tuloy ba ngayong araw. So, sabi nila, tuloy daw. Pasok ngayong araw. So, as early as 8. Idadalhin ko na yung sasakyan doon. Then, ang magiging proseso pala, sabi sa akin ng enterprise, nung magpaparenta ng sasakyan, tatawag na lang yung collision center or yung pagawaan sa kanila na na-drop ko na yung sasakyan, then pipick upin na lang ako. Kasi akala ko mag-u-Uber pa ako or magko-commute ako papunta doon sa pagawaan papunta doon sa rental car. Kaya sana ang plano namin, isasama ko si Mami para idadrop niya ako sa ano. Or para meron kaming sasakyan papunta sa rental car. Pero yun naman pala, ang proseso daw is tatawag na lang daw yung collision center sa doon nga, sa magbibigay ng rental car. At pipick upin na lang daw kami. Di mas maganda, kahit ako na lamang ang lumakad. Para makapunta na siya ng diretso na siyang trabaho.
SUV din yung papalit mo.
Tinanong ako noon, nasabi SUV. Kung gaano kalaki yung, kumbaga kung hindi man eksaktong Highlander din.
Pwede
Kung gaano kalaki yung ano, ganun din. Ano ba?
Si Mami magdadrive yung
Oo, pero kung ano ba, bibigyan lang ako mas maliit, RAV4, mas okay na din. Kung halimbawa sabihin nila, gusto ko request na kotse na lang, no? Para matipid sa gas. Kasi hindi naman namin talaga kailangan yung ganong kalaki sa ngayon. Wala naman kaming, sa 5 araw na to, wala naman kaming planong bakasyon na aalis kaming lahat gamit yung Highlander.
Pwede ba yan yun? Papalit mo yung kotse.
Kahit nga kotse pwede. Yun lang hindi ko nga alam. Susubukan ko na itanong kung pwedeng kotse na lang ang ipalit sa SUV. Kung pwede, mas okay. Di mas matipid-tipid sa gas. Huwag lang nila ako bigyan ng ano kasi meron akong alam minsan, SUV ang ipinasok sa pagawaan, ang ipinarenta, ang ipinahiram na sasakyan, truck. Na ang lakas-lakas sa gas, di lugi-lugi naman ako sa gas noon.
Siguro depende kung ano yung nasa rental.
Yun nga kasi yun eh. Depende yun sa kung ano yung available.
Kung madami nagre-rent na ano.
Oo. Pero sana naman wag truck. Diyos ko naman. Anin ko naman dalawang truck.
Tapos si Mami magdadrive ng truck din daw.
Although 5 araw lang naman yun. Kaya lang,
Sa akin yung gas.
sayang yung gas eh. So yun, samahan nyo ako, no? Tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari ng sistema. At saka samahan nyo ako i-check kung ano magiging itsura ng rental car. Kasi ang alam ko, kailangan paikutan mo ng check yan eh. Bago mo kuhanin. Para pag sinuli mo, may laban ka, no? Kung ano yung mga damage doon. Kasi baka mapagbayad pa tayo, ano? Baka may mga existing na pala siyang sugat sa body or ano. Tapos tayo pa yung sabihin na gumawa nun, no? So, kailangan siguro mabidyohan ko yun ng buo. Okay? So, yun. Samahan nyo ako mamaya. Yun ang lalakarin ko. So, palis na ako. Ire-ready ko lang ako mga kailangan dalhin. Ba yun? Mapapalaban na ako ng Inglesan, mami? Paano kaya yun?
Ayaw mo na yan.
Day 2 pa lang, hindi pa ako nakakapag-warm up eh. Ito na yata yung warm up ko. Palaban na naman ng Inglesan, di ba yan? So, papunta na ako kasi mag-8 na. Bukas na yung shop ng 8. So, as early as possible eh, papasok ko na agad yung sasakyan. Para makabalik din agad akong bahay. Ito ba yung dadalhin ko? Yung sa akin, ano? Ito nga rin sa akin, ano? Tama. Ito na iwanan ko sa kanila. Gogora na ako. Ang temperature ngayon dito ay -2. So medyo may kalamigan pa rin kaya sweater days. Yan.
Sweater ka lang?
Oh. At mamaya dadampa ako ng ano pala? Ng shoppers kasi yung aming boy Tuli ayun. Nagpapagaling pa rin. Wala kaming betadine dito. Kailangan kong bumili.
One eternity later.
Hi, good morning. I'm checking it for the repair of my Highlander today. Oh, yes, please.
It'll be like 10 minutes.
Okay. So, nakausap ko na yung nandito sa collision center. At may pinipirmahan lang sila sa akin na parang authorization. 2 documents, no? 2 paper yun. And then, tinawagan na nila yung rental car company, yung Enterprise. Pipick upin na lang daw ako dito. In 10 to 15 minutes. Dito na ako sa Enterprise.
What's your last name?
It's Dilly Dilly.
Your driver's license, my friend.
Yeah, sure. I have a question though.
Is it possible to take a smaller car than the one I
You can
have
if
to
you want
repair?
to,
Yeah.
but it depends on the availability.
Mm.
I don't have any small cars at the moment.
Oh.
Like, why are we downgrading?
With the price of gas right now, I don't need it. Because I know a friend of mine who had his Highlander repaired, and the enterprise gave him a truck, like a big truck, and I don't like it.
You know, like, I'll give you like something affordable on the gas and stuff. And
That
still
would be
does
nice.
the job. What happened to your car though?
Oh, I just parked outside the IKEA to shop,
IKEA.
and
The parking spot is so tight.
yeah, I know.
Uh-huh.
I came out and it was already scratched, like a big one.
Did they leave the information?
Yeah, fortunately the driver did.
That's good. 'Cause
So I was
no,
able
it
to
doesn't
call.
happen anymore. And or the second thing they do nowadays is they just put the wrong information.
Oh,
So for the sake, just suppose that if somebody saw them,
too bad.
and then they will be like, okay, I'm leaving
Yeah.
the information, but they leave wrong information.
Oh my god.
So people are like,
Well, fortunately, it's an old guy.
still follow the rule.
Yeah.
Which is good, man. Which is good. Perfect. Just a moment, okay?
Yeah, sure.
What's your email address?
It's at gmail.com.
Perfect. That's for you, my friend.
Mm-hmm.
And so, did they mention how long it's gonna be for the repairs?
They said it will be done on May 6th.
Okay.
Yeah.
So from our side, it's an open contract. When we return the car, that they know, they'll tell you when to return the car, okay? But car is your responsibility. So we'll put a deposit of $150.
Okay.
If you don't mind inserting that or tax.
No problem.
Thank you, my friend. I'll
No
give
problem.
you this card. Any questions, concerns you have, you reach out to me. Okay? And you just give us a couple minutes, we'll show you the deal.
Okay, sure.
Perfect.
We don't have the actual vehicle right now. The information. What type of
The
vehicle?
card?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just gonna check the safe there.
Okay.
Because we were expecting that because when you drive a Highlander, you want something like SUV or.
Yeah, even the 5-seater will do actually.
We were saving Explorer for you,
Mm-hmm.
but since you don't want it, so we'll change the plan.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
So, would you like to go with like a BMW or Audi? They consume less gas and you put regular gas, no premiums.
I should. Yeah, I'm good with it.
Do
Yeah.
you want a BMW or Audi?
Maybe a BMW. Are you sure it's cheap on gas?
Oh yeah.
It's cheaper.
Oh yeah. And compared to these higher SUVs,
Yeah.
they are definitely they consume less, but sometimes they seem expensive because people put premium gas in that. But in rental cars, you don't put premium; you put regular gas.
Regular gas. Okay,
Okay.
that's good.
I will bring it to the front for us, my friend, and then we'll go from there.
Okay.
I'll be back in less than a minute.
This is my chance to drive a BMW.
Might as well- yeah, might as well try. So we'll do a quick inspection. Any dent, any scratch bigger than 2 inches is a problem. Metal, anything bigger than 2 inches, scratches, scuffs is a problem. And on the plastic, sorry, I'm getting nervous.
Yeah.
Plastic, if it's not broken, no misalignments, you're fine.
Okay.
Scratches, scuffs don't matter on plastic. Okay. So we'll do a whole circle, and you'll be good to go.
Okay. Having this British Columbia plate isn't that an issue? No.
No problem at all. They travel a lot. That's the thing.
Okay. So just outside for now.
Outside only. Inside, in case if you broke the seats or that's a problem.
Okay.
Otherwise, we don't. Scratches, scuffs don't matter inside. Same on the windshield. Any chip, any crack bigger than 2 inches is a problem.
Okay.
Plastic bumper again. If it's not broken, no misalignments, we're fine.
This.
Just the dirt.
No, just
the
dirt.
Sorry.
Yeah. Okay. Like a dent like this
Yeah,
small, not so
smaller than
visible,
2 inches is
it's
okay.
fine.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. You got it.
All right. Looks good to me.
Yep, perfect.
What?
Whenever
How about this one?
Yeah, so plastic, if it's not broken, scratches, scuffs don't matter on plastic. We don't care about scratches, scuffs on the plastic.
Okay. All right.
So, whenever you're ready, if you want to give it a quick start,
Okay.
Have it.
So I just go
Okay.
inside.
please.
Okay.
And for this one, the only thing about this BMW is you don't have any parking. You don't have to put it in the parking. It's gonna automatically go in the park. You know how we have a parking shift?
Yeah.
These ones don't come with that.
Okay. And how do I?
You just turn it off. That's it.
Okay. And then when I go, I just close the door and just start.
Exactly.
That's it.
So it doesn't have any parking. So you can try. Let's try.
Yeah.
You
Okay.
can put in the drive and then go from there. What happens is customer has to provide us the claim number. They have to pay the deductible. And then that's another hit on their insurance policy.
Yeah.
So most of the people, they try to avoid all that stuff. They're like, okay, I'm just gonna take that and I'm not gonna worry about it.
Okay.
So that's normally the process. But you choose whatever you like.
Okay. And how about also let's like if something happened, I got flat tire or
That one is
it broke
just, yeah,
down.
like you just reach out to us. Normally with BMWs, they run flat. So if you have a flat tire or anything, it can drive up to 50 kilometers on a flat tire.
Oh.
Okay, so in that way you can always go to any Cal Tire or Fountain Tire, or you can come to us.
And then the repairs will be
us,
on you.
we pay for that, unless
Okay.
it's not a physical damage to anything, like the rim is not broken and that kind of stuff.
Okay. So how much is it for like 6 days for
So
$24 a day?
$24.99 a day. We do a quick calculation. $24.99, so for 6. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days. Because we're picking up today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days. Okay. So 9 days. Just say $25. So you're paying $225
$225. Okay, and I pay it outright? Like,
at the end.
oh, at the end? Okay. Do you mind if I make a quick call?
You can, yeah, absolutely. Let me know. No problem.
Okay.
I can finish the contract.
Okay, so that's it?
That's it.
That's it? I can go?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you so much.
Awesome.
Have a good day, guys. Take care. So ayun guys, ito na. Iuwi ko na sa bahay kasi hinihintay ako ni Mami. Ito na lang ang gamitin niya papasok. BMW. Itong binigay sa akin. Pero siguradong ano naman daw to, yung matipid guys. Sabi ko, okay lang paliitin mo yung sasakyan from the size ng Highlander. Kasi hindi naman namin kailangan yung size na yon at hindi naman namin paggagamitin talaga ng malayo. Doon lang kay Mami. Sa presyo ng gas ngayon, sabi ko maliit na lang. So ito na lang binigay niya. Pinapili lang kasi ako BMW or Audi. So sabi ko, ito na lang, BMW. Ito na rin lang yung chance ko makapag-drive ng BMW. Uwi muna ako. Diyan muna kayo, bye. Ngayon,
Tapos,
crossover siya.
ito?
i-preno ko lang, tapos drive. Okay na. Ay, reverse yan.
Ay, atras muna ako.
Okay. Nakembot yung ano niya, yung reverse guide niya. Ang accurate ka mo. Magjo-joyride muna kami ni Mami. Wala dyan. Yung side mirror ba sa'yo okay na? Okay na, no? Ay, ito, kikita mo?
Wala.
Wala.
Bakit ang baba? Hindi na siya maakyat.
Hindi na maakyat. Wala na. Yan ang pinakamataas. At hindi ko alam yan paano galawin.
Baba nga ano, pataas pa naman yung dash.
Ayan, Mami. Nakagalaw
Ayan,
pala.
yan, oo.
Okay na yan?
Oo.
Okay. Ang baba nga. Pang malaking tao.
Malakas ang hagot niya, no?
Ay, shoot. Yung ano mo, Mami, ha?
Ako na.
Yung susi, ha? Huwag mong kakalimutan.
Sa jacket ko lang ilalagay.
Napakalupit ka mo. Sarap itama sa lubak.
Crossover siya dati.
Crossover. O yun, sakto. Bago siya pumasok, magagamit pa niya to. So, tinuro ko lang sandali. May mga accessory, wag na. Hindi ko rin alam eh. Basta main basic driving lang, okay na yun. Baba muna kami dito.
Paano magpa-park?
Oo, magpa-atras ka doon sa likod ng truck. Ang sarap ka mo. Sa bulo ko magpa-atras, isang atras ko lang eh.
Malakas ang brakes yan, no?
Kung may kembot ka mo sa carb, sige, pag binawi mo, kay kembot siya dyan. Tapos ito oh, tema bumaba ang side mirror oh.
Oo.
Kaya kitang-kita mo yung ano.
Oo nga, ang galing yan.
Automatic pag
At saka ito,
nag-reverse ka.
orange. Ayan yung gulong mo eh.
Oo. Ayan na. Ayan na. Tapos itutuwid mo na ulit siya yung manibela.
Dikit na dikit. Ang ganda ng ano.
Hindi pa. Huwag mo ilagpas doon. Huwag mo ilagpas doon yung green. Ayan, sakto na eh.
Oo. Kapit gano'n na itsura niya.
Ay, hindi ka pa sagad eh. Kulang pa ng atras eh. Ayan o, hindi ka pa nakatuwid. Okay na yan.
Oo.
Bahala ka na dyan.
Okay.
Bababa na kami.
Oo.
Gabo.
Yun o. Alis na si madam o. Naka BMW. Stig. British Columbia plate.